Nothing like watching it rain, but we're dealing with sand. How's it going, guys? It's been a few weeks. I guess I've been a couple months, I think, since I posted the video. Been a busy time for me. I actually got married to my wonderful girlfriend. She's now my wife, Hannah. And I got really sick. I got an inner ear infection, caused me to get vertigo. And if you don't know what vertigo is, it messes up your equilibrium, makes you get real dizzy. I've been dealing with that. This is my, I think this is my 6th or 7th week of dealing with vertigo. So I can't ride, can't film any of that stuff, but I can build tracks, and we've been building tracks like crazy. This is our 3rd weekend in a row doing track work, doing track builds, doing track work for people. So we're in Lawrenceville, Illinois this weekend, and next week we'll be at Muncie, Indiana. It's still a part-time thing, but we want to make it a full-time thing eventually. So roll with us and let me show you what's going on. So, first time for me, but this customer has a giant tank. I mean, let's see if we can put it in perspective. I'm 6 foot 1 inches tall, and this thing is massive. I'm not a little boy, and this is a big tank. So, he wants us to bury it over here. So that's what we're gonna do, to make a landing of a 55-foot double. Hey, good job on the old hip jump, Bubby.
Hey, thank you.
Bubby's killing it on the dozer. 21 years old. How long you been dozing for?
I've been dozing for 7 years now.
7? That's ridiculous. I've not done it that long.
I was running equipment before I was riding a bicycle.
Well, I guess that's true. So he's kind of like me. He started on a Kubota in his dad's yard, and then I built a track for him. He got on a big bike, and then now we build tracks together and run his racetrack. So it's pretty sweet, and this hip jump is even sweeter. I don't think the camera's gonna do this justice, but this hip jump is seriously so sick. Just hit it, left-hander, whoop, into some whoops down there. Really sick. Coming along nicely. It's been raining here pretty well all day. Thank God this is like sandy, old farm dirt, southern Indiana. Actually, we're in southern Illinois. The southern Indiana, southern Illinois have it's really awesome farm soil. Got some Millville style rollers going on that are pretty sick. If you guys can see those perspective wise, but they're sweet. Then we have an actual, like, we had to cut whoops in, but we had to do a certain way so it didn't flood everything. And then way over yonder, we got an arena cross style jump. Elevated corner essentially is what the customer wanted, so that's what we did into a booter of a double. Absolute booter of a double. And it's kind of a sandy clay face, so it's gonna get rutted really quick. So I had to put a lot of clay on top to try to pack it and make it hard. I think it's right at 55 feet, maybe 50. I don't know, I think we put the tank at 50, and I rolled the landing way this way, so that way someone comes short, it won't be so dangerous.